What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. I finally got in the Kishi Ultra from Razer. This one right here is supposed to promise us a way to game on the iPad mini. And that's the reason why I got this today. But if you look on my table, I actually have a few different iPads here. I've got me an 11-inch iPad Pro, which I want to try on here. Since it is USB-C, you know, might as well, right? iPad mini, obviously, that has USB-C. And then on top of that, I also have the one of the most affordable Samsung tablet that I can find, which is the A8, I believe. It has USB-C as well. And so anyway, I want to try it on there too. So if you're questioning if this thing will work on those devices, we're going to try that out today. All right. Might do an update video because I also have a 13-inch iPad Pro, the new one. I may test it on this one. Maybe I'll do a short or something like that. Anyway, but yeah, today we're going to try these out. Razer Kishi. All right. So a little history on this. One of my first controller for the mobile device is a Razer Kishi. Very affordable. I love it. I love the joystick and everything. I play a lot of Call of Duty on it. The thing is, that's all. It stopped there. It doesn't really work on your iPad at all because they built specifically for smaller devices. Anyway, I think Razer have seen how people have complained about, you know, lack of support for some of the other devices, since a lot of the Apple stuff are now USB-C now. So, you know, it's just a way of them designing the little clamp to fit those items, right? Anyway, here it is, Razer Kishi. Pretty big, I would say. This is probably one of the biggest mobile controller that I have. Almost comparable to something that I have on the Switch, which is about this size right here. And you know the Switch is a lot bigger. But yeah, same old design where the middle is kind of like a bridge. Also, I think they incorporated that same rubber seal over here, where you can just remove this to hold a bigger device. Let me see over here too. Yep, sure enough. So we'll test that out in a little bit, but let's see here. Oh yeah, and the other thing is, this connects directly into the device itself, and so the latency is going to be very minimal versus, you know, if you're using Bluetooth, which, you know, honestly, most of the Bluetooth gameplay that I've done hasn't really been that bad, to be honest with you. So I don't know, but direct connection definitely is better, right? All right, so I've showed you the little tab that you can pull out on the controller. The box itself actually comes with multiple different ones. Here's, not sure if you can see that or not, but this one says B right here, these two, and then this one says C. So those come in a set. I'm pretty sure the ones that install are A. Instruction booklets. Wow, no cords, no nothing, huh? Well, I guess you don't really need the cords, but yeah, that's it, guys. That's all they included in there. Oh well, there's some stickers, which I may slap on my laptop. Okay, I don't know what A and B means, but I want to go ahead and use the A that's on here. The A, if you look right here, it's pretty thick. I'm pretty sure that's made for smaller devices. And then, you know, the C is probably thin out, maybe. I don't know. But I want to go ahead and use the A as default for the iPad mini. All right, so here it is, iPad mini. See how it fits. Oop, wrong way. Let's make sure we plug in the USB-C. Yeah, so for sure the A fits USB-C perfectly right there. It doesn't feel like it's like clamped on there very well, to be honest with you. So let's see here. I think A might be the super big one. So let's go ahead and swap out to the C real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that over here. And swap out to the C. All right. You know, if I read the instruction booklet, I would know what all these, what are the fits for. Okay, so C right there. Honestly, C just seemed like the same fit as A, so yeah, I'm not sure what that is. All right, so right here it says choosing your rubber cushion. A is for iPhone 15 models. So yeah, guys, I do have an iPhone 15 here with a case on there. It's a fairly thick case. So let's go ahead and swap this thing out and put the A on here for iPhone 15. I forgot about that. I was so interested in testing out the iPads. I forgot that, hey, this is also for mobile as well. Okay, so for iPhone 15, the A for case, it doesn't really work all that well, to be honest with you. See that? So when they say the A is for iPhone 15, I think they're talking about no case. All right, so let's see. Take out that case, and yeah, it fits perfect. Yeah, that thing is perfectly fitted on here. And if you look at the camera bump right there, it fits exactly to the camera bump. That's very nice. All right, so next, let's see if it will work on iPad Pro. This is the M2 iPad Pro. And I'm gonna say it does not fit. So it can only expand out to about that much, guys. So yeah, it's max's limit. You can't expand anymore. So if you look at this right here, yeah, it can't expand any more than that. That's too bad. So iPad 11-inch is definitely out. So that means that probably 10-inch is out too. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, iPad 10-inch. Well, this is 11-inch in terms of height though. Yeah, that's out. So this Samsung A8 is out, unfortunately. So it looks like only mobile and iPad mini is the way to go here. Because the way this is designed, this is the max that it'll go. But look at that. Look how much room, how much more room you have on the iPad mini. That's a lot of room. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I know, right? We keep asking for more. Now it works on iPad mini, but it doesn't work on 10-inch, 11-inch devices. That's too bad. So next thing I actually want to do is I want to add cases to this because, you know, a lot of time we actually don't like to take off our cases, right? So let's go ahead and drop this in here. And I'm going to bend this case over. Again, guys, this is just a standard case that I got here. Nothing special to it. You know, one of those foldable cases you can stand up like this. The case itself is fairly thick with this right here. And see here, I put this in. By the way, I still have the insert A in here. Yeah, B is pretty thick. I doubt that's gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all the inserts out and see if the case works without any inserts. Okay, so yeah, it'll work just fine. Yeah, you can see right there, the light comes on. That means that it's connected. All right, so the cool part about this, I don't know, you know, but with the case on, you're able to just stand this up because the controller is so thick. Yeah, this is a pretty good product. It's just, it's not long enough to fit just a little bit more for the 11-inch. I know I'm asking for a lot, but yeah, with the case, if you take out the inserts, the case will fit right there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, next but not least, let's see if I can pull this up here and then plug in this USB-C. And there you go, it's charging the iPad while you're playing, so you can charge the iPad while you're playing since there's a USB-C right here. And then there's a headphone jack, it looks like, which is something that's very needed if you're playing games. It doesn't feel like the sturdiest though. I mean, because I don't have any more inserts on this side. Maybe that's something that I can actually improve on. This is A right here, so let's go ahead and drop this A back into here. But I'm not gonna drop the other piece. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I guess you can use that insert, but it's right at the edge of it right there. Because my case is not is one of those foldable case, so it has an extra flap. If you have the other cases where it doesn't have like the screen protector on top of it, maybe it will even work better with this A insert. All right, so that's what we know there, guys. 11 inch, 10 inch-ish, not gonna work on this because this is not big enough. Works fine with iPad mini, so that's awesome. That's actually the real purpose right there. Right now you're getting in a really big screen to play your mobile game on, which I need to play more Genshin on that. Oh, so the last thing I want to test out is my phone in a case. That's important, right? I've taken out all the inserts, and now let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Yeah. So now Razer Kishi will work with cases now. Look at that. This is super nice right there. Yeah, that's super nice. Razer Kishi now works with case. That's 2024 right there. Anyway, there you have it. That's the brand new Razer Kishi Ultra right there that I just got in. I waited like a month for them to ship this one to me. Finally got it in. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. I'm out. Bye-bye.